Morning light spills through, kitchen quiet, blender humming in distance. You crave mornings fueled by real fruit and thick smoothies. Old blenders struggle. Chunks, noise, seeds caught in blade wells. Enter the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0, matte gray, purposeful. 1200 watts of power, crushes ice to snowy perfection. Total crushing blades pulverize frozen fruit into silky purees. Auto IQ, crush program times pulsing, blends, pauses automatically. 4 manual speeds and pulse give complete creative control. 72-ounce pitcher makes family-size batches, pours without messy spills. Dishwasher safe, BPA-free pots mean fast cleanup and peace. I tested. Frozen berries, ice, almond milk, instant nirvana. Smoothies, shakes, nut butter, restaurant quality at home. The problem solved. Mornings efficient, delicious, effortlessly abundant. Included 10 recipe guide inspires creative blends and easy meals. Bring Ninja home, blend smarter, serve bigger, start today. Tired of chunky smoothies and noisy underpowered blenders? You deserve creamy smoothies and effortless mornings every time. I used to waste fruit and ice on weak blenders. Lumps, loud motors, and guesswork ruined my blender experience. Then I found the Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo. 1400 peak watts and auto IQ make blending effortless. Total crushing blades pulverize ice into snow-like consistency. Pro Extractor blade liquefies whole fruits and vegetables. 3 auto IQ programs eliminate guesswork for smoothies, frozen drinks. Use the 72-ounce pitcher to make family-sized batches, or blend single-serve smoothies in two 24-ounce to-go cups. Auto IQ sequences combine pulses, blends, and pauses intelligently. 4 manual speeds give you precise control when needed. It handled frozen berries and ice without hesitation. Smoothie texture, silky, no chunks, perfectly cold every time. Nutrient extractions taste brighter. Greens fully blended, not gritty. Cleanup is fast. Pitcher and cups are top rack dishwasher safe. BPA free parts and removable stacked blade for easy washing. Compact modern design fits neatly on a busy countertop. Perfect for morning routines, post workout shakes, and entertaining guests. Comes with a 15 recipe inspiration guide to get started. I make green smoothies, frozen margaritas, and nut butters easily. Powerful motor blends quickly, saving time on busy mornings. It's noticeably quieter than other high power blenders we tried. Visible results: smooth pours, consistent texture, no separation. 2 travel cups mean smoothies for work or the gym. If you want reliable power and easy results, get it. Click to buy or learn more. Upgrade your blending. Your kitchen deserves a pro-level blender that simplifies life. Enjoy smoother mornings, healthier drinks, and less cleanup today. Mornings were chaotic with dull blenders and messy results. Smoothies full of chunks and ice shards every single time. Dough never mixed evenly. Salsas ended up inconsistent and watery. Juggling multiple appliances stole counter space, and my patience entertaining guests meant frantic prep and last-minute takeout orders. Large batches seemed impossible, pitchers overflowed or underperformed routinely. I wished for one tool that could truly handle everything: phones full of recipe screenshots, but no reliable appliance to execute. Frustration built until I finally started searching for solutions online. Scrolling late night, a sleek black machine caught my eye. Product images showed interchangeable jars, massive pitcher, and digital dial. I read reviews praising Auto IQ and 1600 watts of power. A demo video showed ice crushing and smooth, silky smoothies instantly. Price felt fair for the features and professional plus bender reputation. Auto IQ grabbed me. Preset programs do the thinking. 1600 watts means powerful, consistent blends even with dense ice. 4-in-1 versatility, crush, extract, chop and slice, all interchangeable. Huge 2.6L pitcher and 2.1L food processor thrilled me. Reversible slicing disc and dough capability sealed the deal. Compact modular design saved counter space but delivered pro results. First morning, icy smoothies turned velvety, no chunks, perfect texture, made 9-cup dough flawlessly, uniform consistency, no overworking required. Extraction slider yielded vibrant, nutrient-rich juices without clogging or fuss. Slicing and shredding were precise. Salads and toppings looked professional. Clean up quick, interchangeable parts, rinse easily, dishwasher safe convenience, save time, reduced appliances, and reclaimed my countertop zen. Imagine weekend brunches without stress, cocktails and smoothies flowing effortlessly. Ready to stop settling for mediocre blends and cluttered counters? Will you upgrade to Ninja's Deluxe system and transform mornings? Tap buy now. Your kitchen deserves professional plus performance today. My blender betrayed me at the worst possible moment. Smoothie catastrophe, chunky ice, sad texture, guests glaring. I blamed my fruits, my recipes, even my technique. Everyone swore blenders were impossible to trust anymore, until I met an appliance that looked like calm danger. Meet the Ninja Power Kitchen System Pro. Black Beast, 1800. Peak watts roars under that sleek digital dial blend sense intelligence. It practically reads my frozen fruit's mind. It detects quantity, liquid needs, then adjusts automatically. I press the dial. The machine calmly judged my ingredients. Chunky salsa, turned silky, dough mixed like magic. Instantly 72-ounce pitcher, fed the whole family without complaint. 64-ounce processor handled 2 pounds of dough effortlessly. Slicing and shredding disc made coleslaw look professional. 10 variable speeds gave me complete texture control. Finally, single-serve cup saved my commute. Liquid detect saved my embarrassment. Dishwasher safe parts meant cleanup. Felt like a minor miracle. I once feared big power. Now I worship torque. The hybrid blades crushed ice, chopped veggies, kneaded dough. My kitchen transformed from chaotic to cinematic in minutes. Neighbors thought I hired a private chef. Our false alarm. Reality, one machine, countless dishes, zero culinary ego. This isn't just a blender, it's an all-in-one kitchen revolution. Perfect smoothies, creamy purees, flawless dough, every single time. It even instructs you when to add liquid. Genius, I tested it on stubborn ice, stubborn recipes, stubborn relatives. Result, applause, saved dinner, the mysterious "how did you" chorus. If you want dominance over your kitchen, consider this Ninja Power Kitchen System Pro. Power, intelligence, and flawless results. Buy it, brag about it, blend like you mean it. If you are interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.
Crush ice and blend faster. Family-size smoothies in minutes. Perfect texture every time. Powerful results without guessing. Imagine gym mornings. Protein smoothies ready before you leave. Post-workout recovery drinks with ice-crushed, silky smooth consistency. Hosting friends? Serve frozen cocktails and granitas effortlessly. 1400 peak watts provide professional power for heavy-duty blending. Ninja Total crushing blades pulverize ice into snow-like texture. Stacked stainless steel blade assembly ensures consistent, smooth results. Auto IQ presets handle timing, pulsing, blending, and pausing. 3 one-touch programs: Smoothie, Ice Crush, and Ice Cream. No manual guessing. Intelligent presets do the work. 72-ounce total crushing pitcher makes large batches for families. 64-ounce max liquid capacity for safe, optimal blending. Intuitive digital display and simple controls speed every recipe. 4 manual speeds plus pulse provide flexible texture control. Includes 15 recipe inspiration guide to jumpstart your creations. Dishwasher safe, BPA-free pitcher and blade assembly clean easily. Durable motor and blades built for daily heavy use. Transforms ice into silky smoothies, snow, and frozen desserts. Perfect for home cooks, fitness enthusiasts, and small cafes. Saves time. Batch blending reduces prep and cleanup. Consistent results let you serve cafe-quality drinks at home. Compact modern design fits neatly on busy kitchen counters. Quiet, efficient operation despite professional-grade crushing power daily. Perfectly crushed ice enhances texture of cocktails and granitas. Easy assembly and clear instructions get you blending quickly. Includes motor base, stacked blade, lid, and guides. Upgrade your kitchen with Pro Power and intelligent presets. Feel confident making family-size smoothies and party-ready frozen drinks. Add the Ninja BN701 to your cart. Blend better today.